Good morning, next day of adventure. Oh, yay! First thing first, coffee, lots of coffee. Follow up with more coffee. Yeah, we little wet over here. Everything is a little wet because was a little bit of a rain. Anyways, guys, enjoy the trip. Hello, and yeah, nice situation, rainy day. And I think we're gonna be like this for the rest of the day. We pack wet pants, but in the dry. So let's have fun, guys. That's another part of adventure. The weather doesn't stop us from another beautiful adventure. Yes, roads are wet, lenses are wet, pouring rain, but the views and the roads are still amazing. Just following the beautiful coastline of Quebec. I think I'm gonna have to come back here again without rain because the views are even nice with the wet weather. this is the situation for right now. We are at the lighthouse. We follow the light. We follow the light in the rain. Pouring rain. Doesn't matter of the weather, I'm still enjoying those long 90-degree curves. Just looking for the boys because they still behind me. This bike handles really well in the wet weather. Even in the rain, like I said earlier, the views over here are spectacular. The rolling hills, the water, and that yellow line. Following the yellow line. Yay! The camera is recording! Yay! I lost the cover for the site and the water got in it, yeah, so hopefully it's gonna still work for a while. So yeah, we're drying out in this beautiful coastal weather with, like Jerry said earlier, roof provided by the government of Quebec. Oh, merci for that. And we are just by the coast over here.
I bought this for Santiago, first time we use this.
We found the beach. Little beach.
We found it.
Yay!
That's it. Bring the tent.
Finally, we got a little break from the weather. When we found the beach, the rain stopped. Now, it's just a tiny little bit of splatters. But it's still gonna rain for the rest of the day. This road over here, this part of the road over here, really remind me of riding the bike in the Philippines. So similar. Just the road and that yellow line, it's a little bit different. But the views, the rolling hills, look at this. I can compare this view to the north part of Cordillera in Philippines. This is a big shout out to anyone who is watching my video in the Philippines. Love you guys, miss you guys. Over
here we're coming down the hill towards the little town when we decided to stop for a day and find a place to stay after 7 hours of riding in a pouring rain. And we arrived at the big rock over here. I got no idea what the name of it is. A big rock is it. And it's pouring rain. Yeah. Oh, that's so nice. Have a picture. So this is how much we're enjoying the day today. We came down this road right over there. Oh, it looks so cool with the town up there. Oh, that's so nice. So, we have an early day today. Yeah. This is all drying. Everything is hanging everywhere. We decided to get a hotel room, yeah. Jerry is making us coffee-nated. Good. Look at this. Everything hanging everywhere. We are soaking wet. But look at guys the place that we are at. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. There you go. So yeah, that's where we are, and Quebec. Don't ask me for the name of the town, I will put it in the bottom. I'm gonna go get the famous lobster rolls, some seaside junk food. But first I think I'm gonna hit that tower right over there and enjoy the view. We're gonna go climb the tower over here. See how's the view from upstairs. Upstairs, up the top. It's already pretty. This is a little view from the top of the tower.
I've been there, big boy.
And this is where we're staying over there. A little center of this little town over here. There is tons of camper vans, camper trailers. Like everybody travels through this area. I try to cross the street and not to get run over, huh? Yeah, nobody stopped. Oh, they are stopping. Thank you. Maybe because they seen the camera. All right. Let's go in the store and see what they have. Tons of souvenirs, of course. Yes. Oh, you're. Tons and tons of different souvenirs. That's cool. Look at that ship, that's so nice. Unfortunately, we got no room on the bike. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Wow, those ships are so nice, so much details on them. Look at that. Wow, look at this, that's so beautiful. That's what we need. Yeah, this place is very, very touristy. But most of the places that we are gonna be traveling right now through, they are very touristy, yeah. If some places over here that we passed through, I felt like actually riding through Philippines and looked like riding through Philippines in some of the spots. It's just different houses and a little bit different roads, but everything else looks very, very similar. It's bringing a lot of good memories. I'm not really sure what this is, but this is some kind of a very historical building over here. Some kind of a historical chapel. Cheers, guys. Local beer. Good. That's better. Food is coming. That's what's for dinner today. Cheating on diet. We got some beer for the boys. One for me. I already had one. Two. Oh my goodness, my diet is out of the window today. Okay, let's go back to the hotel and enjoy the goodness, local goodness beer. Like I said before, guys, be good, ride safe, stay dry. Peace and cheers.